A 94-year-old woman from Andhra Pradesh has given up her American citizenship with one final wish to spend her last days and be laid to rest in her native village as an Indian. K. Mahalakshamma, a native of Chintagumpala village in Baptala district, had lived in the United States for more than 2 decades after moving there following her husband's death. She became a US citizen in 2000 and returned to India with her family in 2018. On June 1st, she applied to restore her Indian citizenship. During the verification process, she took the mandatory oath of allegiance under the Citizenship Act before the district collector. As she has severe hearing impairment and does not understand English, the oath was translated into Telugu. Her son read it aloud and she repeated it before the collector. The district collector said the required documents have now been forwarded to the Ministry of Home Affairs, which will take the final decision on granting her Indian citizenship.